Additional object types supported on the latest Pro 4 firmware have been added to the video search page. These object types include backpack, handbag, suitcase, and trolley. To view the object types, you must navigate to Monitoring, Video Monitoring, and click the Video Search button. Enter a camera name and select a camera from the returned list. From the Search Type drop-down, select Object Detection. Select a time range and using the calendar icon, select a start, date and time. Click Add a person or object. Select the drop-down. All object types will be listed. Once all parameters are selected and the search button is clicked, all results will populate. From here, users can view and export the footage. The object type can be seen in the Object column.